hard. That's not going to work.
Oh, damn, I put it too far in the dirt. Try that one again. Put some more water down there for us.
Need more water.
Hey, put some more water down there for us. It's going, look at it.
That's some cold fucking water. Man, got little spots on the thing.
Fuck you. That nigga be fine.
It's hot over here.
Well.
Put your bag right there.
What?
Ah, too far.
You had me right here.
No, I've had it in the middle, right behind you.
Maybe I can see it stuck up to the sun.
There you go.
There you go. Wait, go ahead, wait. All right, I got you.
Back here is colder.
Yeah.
Splash Park.
He jumped down, boy. He rose.
It sunk.
Dug that bitch in.
Wipe out.
Stop and do it again. Stop and do it again.